Hi, my name is Jessica Bober. I'm a second-year engineering science major here at Middlesex, and I'll be transferring after this semester to continue my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. I chose this program because I love learning how things work and realize I can use my knowledge to actually build solutions that improve everyday life. Engineering gives you the skills to turn ideas into real change, which is exactly why I enjoy this major and all the opportunities that come with it. So I'm actually on the engineering science path at Middlesex, which prepares me to transfer to a four-year school in any engineering discipline by building a strong foundation in math and science. Middlesex also offers an engineering technology path that's more hands-on and focused on fields like mechanical, electrical, and civil technology. We have an engineering club where students can work on projects they're passionate about. We host hands-on events through the semester, like 3D printing and soldering workshops, and it's a great place to learn new skills and connect with other students. After I graduate, I will be participating in a summer internship at Lawrence Livermore National Lab in Livermore, California. I'll be working with a mentor on developing and improving machines and techniques for fusion research. I've received a few scholarships during my time at college, including the Florence and Gilbert Finney Women in Engineering and Technology Scholarship, which is specifically for women pursuing engineering. That support really helped me focus more on the academic work without constantly stressing about the financial side. It allowed me to fully take advantage of everything the program has to offer, whether it was joining clubs, working on projects, and moving forward in my career.